Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's say a couple of words on the gold market. So, as you can see, yesterday the market has formed some kind of the high wave pattern or just some indecision pattern when it stands really some range and indicates some indecision or attempt to make the decision. So where to move next. As we have discussed millions of times already in our daily updates, that currently we see that gold still keeps the potential of the upward action. So there are different patterns could be formed here. We could, for example, recognize here the butterfly with the upside action to the 1130, 1150 area. Some other patterns that we have that also could lead to the deeper upward action. But until market stands above the 1085 area, it keeps chance on upward action, and we can't take the bearish position. Also because we have the bullish grabber here that suggests the taking out of this top. And this makes overall picture very clear, because we know in the point where the bullish setup will fail. This is 1070. So if market will drop below it, it will mean that we could shift from the bullish side to the bearish, and we should start searching chances for taking the short. Until this will not happen, and since we have some bullish patterns on our back, we have prepared the trading plan on the weekly research that should let us to take the long position on the gold market. And this plan has worked just perfect. Now, if you have followed it, you probably should have the bullish position. So let's take a look how this has happened. Also guys, on the forward time frame chart, the picture that we have discussed previously, so you can see market finally has moved above the weekly pivot point. Trend has shifted bullish. Here you could also find some kind of the bullish grabber based on the MACD predictor here. It's not quite clear bullish grabber because it mostly is looks like the 2 sessions grabber. So we can see market has turned trend bearish, but on the next candle turned back on the bullish side again, started to move up. Flag pattern also has been broken to the upside. Upward action is not really very fast right now, but currently guys, to be honest, we do not care how fast it is, because just take a look at the hourly chart. Our discussion yesterday was at this moment we started. So those of you who have applied our advanced tactic should have at this moment bullish position, because you should have entered at confidence support, and the confidence support has been tested by this spike down. That was respect of the market to the strong support area. And here we have called you to move stops to the break-even since the market has turned to the upward action. Later, as you can see, in reality we have appeared and the B point, and market has formed A, B, C top D pattern. So as you can see, the rule of thumb has worked again, and the rule of thumb tells once you have got reversal swing to the upside, buy first ABCD retracement. That's why in our weekly research we said yes, this is confidence, this is strong level, but we mostly will be watching for the 1081 because this is deep retracement, and rule of thumb suggests that market should show deep retracement, some ABCD pattern to the downside. That's why our primary level to watch for is 1081. At the same time, guys, as you have moved stops to the break-even, at this drop that has followed by the CD leg, you should exit from this trade with no loss. Now, those of you who have applied this scale in, for example, if you haven't entered even from this position and you have add more at the 1081, right now you should feel nice. Finally, guys, Those of you who have applied just simple tactics, entry tactics, as we have discussed, it's just taking the position at the ABCD completion at around 1085 and 1081. This probably also should feel great because you have got the best entry point with this trade. So you can see market has completed precisely ABCD pattern. So pips to pips. So ABCD pattern has been completed, and that was our entry point. Now guys, all that I could tell is that move your stop to the break even. So because market has started significant upward action right now, and you need to protect your position, just move stops to the break even and watch the movie. Right now we mostly will not care what will happen next. If market will drop lower and erase the bullish setup, well, we will abandon this trade with no loss and just will be watching for the next setup. If market will continue move higher, this also will be great because we will be watching for the next target. So our preliminary work on the gold market has done. So now we have the position, and currently we're starting the most pleasant part of our trading is just watching how a market moves to the upside. So that's what we will do in the nearest hours on the gold market. Currently guys, we could monitor different patterns. For example, recall our head and shoulders. Mostly it keeps well because take a look that its market hasn't quite reached the same level as the left wing, but in general, as you can see, the harmony is not bad with this pattern since retracement, deep retracement has happened. The right shoulder has been formed, and now the major question, what we will be watching for today particular, guys, we will be watching for a breakout of 1095 11 even area. This is currently the major resistance. If market will pass through it, in this case we will get the action to the 1130 or even to the high levels. And right now we will be watching for this head and shoulders pattern. So guys, nearest targets that we could monitor are based mostly on this head and shoulders pattern. So yes, we have on the daily chart it's possible butterfly here. It could be formed to the upward action, but on the hourly chart this could be head and shoulders. So you could keep an eye on this from these lows to these highs, ABCD pattern that's now stands in progress. As I said, the major area to watch for in the nearest hours is the breakout of the neckline. So 1085 11 even area, so it'll be the major area. So if the market will break it to the upside, so we could expect the nearest target is the ABCD, and the next one that we could track is the possible based on this butterfly, it's 1130. And probably the next target will stand even higher. So let's check this out. Right, so 1130 is 127, 1140, so will be 1618 on this. After that, maybe some other patterns will be formed. So we will need to monitor how particular situation will develop. But it's a bit early to speak about it. Right now, let's focus on this setup that now we have, based on the position that we have right now. So let's see what we will get.